what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this yellow makeup look. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So first things first, thank you so much for being here. If you like to see makeup tutorials, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please consider to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. And let's begin. So I'm going to start off by applying my Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. This is going to act as my primer and moisturizer, and it gives my skin a really nice glassy, dewy glow, and I love that. Next, I'm going to apply my Touch in Sol No Pore Blum Primer. This helps to smooth and cover the pores. I'm just going to apply one pump to the back of my hand and then apply that all over my face. Next, I'm going to apply my Etude House Double Lasting Foundation in the shade Amber number 7. This has SPF 42 PA++. So first, I'm going to shake the container. And then I'm going to apply one pump to the back of my hand, and that should be enough to cover my whole face, but if not, then I can apply more. To apply my foundation, I'm going to use my Sigma Beauty foundation brush, the F60. I like using this just to apply it initially to make sure that it applies evenly all over my face in like a light layer, yet still providing me the full coverage that I'm looking for. And then with the remaining product, I'm going to go down my neck. I really love that this is a really great shade match for me. However, the biggest drawback is if you are any shade darker than me, you won't be able to use this foundation. The foundation range isn't too great. It's more for fair to light medium skin tones. But if you are around my shade range, then I think you might really love it. They just got the undertone and the shade just so perfect for me. So I have been really liking this. So now I'm going to blend my foundation with my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Sponge. So I love that this foundation gave me the full coverage that I want, yet I can still see the glassy skin peeking through, which is exactly what I'm going for. So to add a bit more coverage under the eyes and in certain areas, I'm going to apply my Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer from Too Faced. I'm going to apply it under the eyes, down the bridge of my nose, on my upper lip, on my chin area, and my forehead. And then I'm going to use my beauty sponge and blend the concealer. So now I'm going to apply my Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder using my Sigma Beauty large powder brush, the F20. I'm going to lightly tap off any excess powder and then lightly press it around my face to set my foundation. My under eyes tend to crease if I don't set it with like extra powder, so I'm going to kind of bake under the eyes but not use too much powder. So now it's time to add some color to my skin. I'm going to apply my M Cosmetics Heaven's Glow Magic Hour Blush using my Sigma Beauty Spotlight Duster brush, the F37, to apply it. Now it's time to bronze, and I'm going to use my Hoola bronzer from Benefit. And this is in the Benefit Cheek Stars Reunion Tour palette. I've been making pretty good use of this palette. I'm going to apply my bronzer in a 3 like I normally do. And to apply my bronzer, I'm using the Sigma Beauty X Roxette Arisa F27 Iconic Bronze brush. I'm going to contour my nose using the Sigma Beauty Tapered blending brush, the E40. I'm going to bake the sides of my nose just to snatch the nose a little bit. And I'm also going to bake to chisel out my cheekbones as well. I'm gonna go back in with the large fluffy brush and dust off the excess powder. And of course I have to highlight because I wouldn't be me if I didn't apply highlighter. I'm going to use the Cookie Highlight from the same Benefit palette, and I'm going to apply it with my F42 strobing fan from Sigma Beauty. So now to finish off my face makeup, I'm going to set my face with my Touch in Sol Galaxy Setting Mist. And this is going to give me the ultimate glow. Make sure to shake it up so all the shimmery particles are infused with the liquid. Smells so good. So now I'm going to apply some lip products. First, I'm going to apply my NYX Cosmetics Nude Truffle Lip Pencil. And I will be overlining my lips slightly. And now I'm going to apply my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Stripped. And I'm going to use my lip pencil again just to kind of blend those two shades together. I'm just going to add a little bit more hydration back onto my lips using my Buxom Power Plump Lip Balm in the shade Big O. I'm just going to lightly dab. So now it's time to move on to the eyes. I'm so excited because I haven't used yellow on the eyes for so long. So first things first, I'm going to apply my eye primer, and I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer as my base today. A little bit to the back of my hand, and then I'll pick up the product and blend it in with my Real Techniques blending brush. Just like this, so it can evenly apply the product. So I'm going to apply the yellow shade Soul from my Natasha Denona Sunset palette on my eyelids, and then I'm going to blend upwards into the crease. And I'll be using my Sigma Beauty large shader brush, the E60. So first I'm going to pack that on the lid. Then using my tapered blending brush, the E35 from Sigma, I'm going to blend the yellow shade into the crease. Now with the same large shader brush, I'm going to apply that yellow shade on my lower lash line. Alright, so now it's time for liquid liner. So of course I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. So first I'm going to start off by applying the wings and then filling them in. Okay, so the wings are a lot thicker than I wanted them to be. Now, if I had double eyelids, it would still look really good. I still like it. I just wished this could be this exact wing, but like thinner. But you know what? We're gonna go with it. We're gonna put on my mascara and lashes, and we're gonna be good. So now let's move on to mascara. I'm gonna use my NARS Climax mascara and apply that to my upper and lower lashes. So now it's time to apply some lashes, and I'm gonna go back to my OG favorites, the Cocoa Lashes in the style Queen Bee, using my House of Lashes lash adhesive to apply it. All right, and that completes this look. What do you guys think? I am in love with this yellow. Of course, I had to pair it with a yellow shirt. So I hope you give this a try. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's been a hot minute since I've last uploaded a tutorial. My bad. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope, again, that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. Also, follow me on my other socials. They are all at Padee Tina Kong. I hope to see you in my next video. And as always, have a beautiful Padeeful day. Bye!